Hello and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session or series, we are going to discuss about question number 23 for AWS Solution Architect Professional Level. So let's go to directly question number 23 and understand what exactly is question. You have a central VPC A, as you can see in this diagram. So if you click on this would be expanded. So what this question is saying here, let me draw again. So you have a central VPC A here, correct? This is VPC A in center, they are saying it. And moving to next is, and you have a VPC peering connection between VPC A and VPC B. So this is, let me draw, this is your VPC B, and you have created a peering connection. Use the name of this PCX 1212, correct? So 1212, some name is given for this VPC connection, and between VPC A and VPC C also there is a peering connection is created here. VPC C, there's also a peering connection which is PCX 2323, basically, correct? 2323 is created. The VPC are in the same AWS account and do not have overlapping CIDR blocks. You may want to use flying V configuration. So this is the V shape, that's the reason it says flying V configuration. Okay, when you have resources on central VPC such as repository services and other VPC needs access of this, right? Some services on this VPC you wanted to use it basically by other VPC. The other VPC do not need to access to each other's resources, they only need access resources from central VPC. Okay, so only this need from here, this need from here, and VPC B and VPC C cannot send traffic directly to each other. There is no way to send traffic between these two directly, correct? VPC peering does not support transitive peering relationship nor S2S routing, correct? So there's, if it does, it means like if you have connection between these two and this one, these two, so via this you can make connection. No, that is not possible at all. There is no transitive connection. You, whatever connection you want between VPC, you have to explicitly create a new connection and make a connection between these two, correct? And each other. So VPC peering does not support transitive and H2S. You must create a VPC peering connection between VPC C and VPC B if in order to route direct traffic. Select the correct route table configuration for this scenario. So, okay, so that we need to check. Its question is same as previous question, but it's more of a 3 VPC and their how they are organized. So now let me go to the explanation directly and then come back to the answer before that. So this is the connection which we have already discussed. So now I'll not read all this text and I'll directly go to the configuration. So let's see what it says. Basically, we know like VPC A is 172.16.16. This is their IP, and VPC C is 192 and VPC B is 10.02. So any local configuration, first validate the local one. So VPC A route table 172.16.0.16 has to be local, correct? So this is right here. VPC B's route table B is 10.0.0.16 has to be local. No, this does not support this local, correct? So this is not right. And VPC C is 192.166, that should be local, so that is also not there. So this is A is not a correct answer at all. Now move to the VPC A route table. Local is A 172.16.0.16. This is correct. 10.00.16 if they wanted to point to, then it should be PCX 1212 because A want to connect to this PCX, so 1212. This is also right. Now they wanted to connect 192.160.0.0.16, then also it's a PCX 2323 they are using, so this is also correct. Now VPC, sorry, this is my wrong, yeah, correct, sorry, this is A, this is right. Now moving to VPC B. VPC B is this 10.00.16 is a local, yes, that is route, correct. Once and 172.16.0.0.6, this is this IP, this should be PCX 1212, correct. So this is also right. Now 172.6C, 172.16.0.16, this is its IP. Okay, this is not a local, correct. The local has to be 192. So this is not a correct option. So I would say this is also not a correct option then in this case. Now move to option C. This is as per this one. Okay, 10 or 16, this is also correct, this is also correct, because A is this configuration and this configuration is correct, same we say correct. So VPC B says 10.00.16 is local, that is right too. 172.16.06 is via this, that is also right. Now third one, VPC C connection is with VPC C 192.168.16.0, it has to be local, and 172 it should be Y. So answer is C here. The correct answer is C here. So let me go to question and put answer as a C and see if this come out to be correct. So this is a correct answer. So that's all about this question number 23. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are you like this question and answers explanation videos and helping you to basically understand more and more. Please visit hadoopexam.com for more detail. Thank you. I'm stopping.